Rosel, can you tell me something about yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Rosel Andos, 39 years old, single mom. I have one son, 20 years old.
Okay, 20 years old. Do you have husband?
I have a live-in partner.
Live-in partner. So what's the work of your live-in partner?
He's a soldier.
Soldier. So how much usually your husband give you for 1 month?
6,000.
6,000 per month. So that's for all the expenses?
Yes.
Okay. So why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because my family need my support.
Especially your son?
Especially my son.
Okay. Your son is going to college already?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Filipino food?
Chinese food, Muslim food.
You also cook?
Spicy food.
You also cook Chinese food?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have experience before as housemaid?
Yes.
In what country?
Binondo, Manila, Philippines.
Philippines. So what you need to take care?
Housekeeping,
okay.
House cleaning, cooking, in take care of the children.
Children. Okay. That's all?
Yes.
Okay. How many members are there?
4.
4 members. So 2 children or 3 children?
Yes.
3 children and
in my boss.
The father. Okay. So no need to take care of the elderly. Are you also taking care of the elderly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. That's the mother of your employer.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you do with your the elder? How you take care of the elder?
To take a bathroom, then to toothbrush, cook food, and then to take medicine for him.
Medicine. Okay. Do you have any allergy with foods?
Yes.
Do you have allergy or no?
Me?
Yes.
No.
No. So no allergy.
No.
Okay. Are you afraid of dog?
No.
Okay. So are you okay if your employer have dog?
Yes.
Okay. How long you plan to work in Malaysia?
I want to work longer.
Longer. Okay. Is it okay for you that your phone is only can be used after work?
Yes.
Okay. Your day off, is it okay that you're just gonna have your day off in the house?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your personal character. What kind of person are you?
What kind of person? Me?
Yes. Are you serious, happy?
I am a serious and happy and honestly.
Honest. Okay. Are you hardworking?
I am a hardworking.
Okay. That's all. Thank you, Rosel.
Thanks. God bless.